Hello! Finally, we are starting with the Flutter development tutorials on this channel. Without wasting any time, let's dive into our VS Code and set it up with some extensions. Here we are in VS Code. Now go to extensions, then search for Dart. Here, select this one and download it. So now you might have a question, what is Dart? So it is the language that Flutter uses to make applications for you. Next, we will search for Flutter. Select this one and download it. See, I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. And once you are done with this, set your VS Code with your favorite theme. But before that, I hope you have downloaded Flutter SDK and added the path of the bin folder to your path in environment variables. Also, you have to download Android Studio and complete its installation with proper setup and all of that stuff. Okay, I hope you will do it. It's very easy. So once we are done with these steps, open cmd, write the command flutter doctor. Flutter doctor will check all the required steps for making an application using Flutter. We will come on the device part once we are done writing our first Flutter application. Okay, so for now leave it as it is. But here you can see there is a cross in front of Visual Studio. See, Flutter is used to create software for Windows also. And for that we need to download and set up Visual Studio, not VS Code, just VS. So we will keep it as it is for now and move on to the next part of this video. Now you have to open the folder in your command prompt, and if you don't know how to do that, then just follow what I am doing. I want to create my folder in D drive, so I'll go to D. Then there's a directory called Flutter development, so I'll go there. Then there's a directory called tutorials, so I'll go there, and here I will write Flutter create project name. I'm giving the name to our project as first app. Here what I did is that I entered the name in an incorrect method. That is, my first case is capital, right? So whatever name you are giving to your project, you are not allowed to use any capital letters. So here I will write Flutter create first app like this. See, it is creating project. We are done with creating the project. Now we have to go to VS Code. Now I have to go to top left corner, select file, select open folder. I will open the folder in which I have created my Flutter file. So here it is in tutorials, in first step, and now I will open it. Now when you look here, these are the files that helps you to create a successful Flutter application. We will use them when they will be needed. For now, what we want to use is in the lib folder. So explore the folder and you will find main.dart file. That is where you will spend maximum amount of time while you are building the app. So open it, and first thing to do is delete all the code written in it. Yes, you heard it right. Delete everything. We will learn from the very beginning that how your Flutter app works from the scratch. But that is in the next video. Next video will be coming up in maybe next 3 to 4 days. Till then, make sure to complete all the steps I have explained till now, and then only move ahead in the Flutter learning journey. See you all in the next one.